Okay, this is my XP old laptop. Attachment device, security apparatus. They lock very easily. However, there's another way to lock this laptop. You can take one of my new security apparatuses, just slips on, take a padlock and a cable, goes right through. You can lock it. It secures much better in metal, but this is just an example that it will hold. Then to unlock it, just put the key in your padlock. This works with combination padlocks, not a problem. And here's another method. Where is it? Oh, here it is. This slips right on. However, if you don't want to use the cable, you can use the chain. Slip the padlock through the chain, slip it through here, lock it with your padlock. Now this may be a little bit on the overkill, however, it does lock your laptop and other items that you may want to lock. And there are a lot of them, as long as it's in something stronger than this plastic. And the reason that I don't just yank this out, well, I needed to upload the video that I'm taking right now. So it's your choice. Which would you rather have? That's it.